Harder than this right now.
It hasn't got that steep yet. First rest stop we've seen since we got up here. See more signs warning people there's no water. Really hot up here.
Right now. Savannah's back there again after our 2-minute break, but I just like to point out on the steep parts, you really need to watch where you take your step, or else you risk falling down and possibly losing some, the lengths that you walked already. I mean, I'm kind of tired, but I could go a long ways without taking a break. And there's Savannah. I think next shady spot we'll take a break for her.